Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, December 19th, 2024, we're diving deep into the BTCUSD market, analyzing the latest news and correlating it with the price action on both the 1-hour and 15-minute charts. Recent news headlines paint a picture of uncertainty in the Bitcoin market. The Federal Reserve's recent rate cut and Chairman Jerome Powell's comments regarding Bitcoin ownership by the Fed have sent ripples through the cryptocurrency world. Many analysts predict a short-term correction, given these events. Let's now turn our attention to the 1-hour BTCUSD chart. We can observe a clear downtrend in the past few days, marked by lower highs and lower lows. The price has been struggling to break above key resistance levels, indicating a bearish sentiment. Notice the significant volume increase during the price drops, further confirming the bearish momentum. The lack of strong bullish candlestick patterns suggests a continuation of the downward trend in the near term. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can see more frequent price swings, indicative of increased volatility. These smaller candlesticks provide a more granular view of the ongoing price correction. Here, we see a series of bearish candlesticks, reinforcing the downward pressure on the price. Support levels are being tested, and a break below those levels could trigger a further decline. However, some bullish candlestick patterns are forming, suggesting potential short-term buying opportunities. It's crucial to observe these patterns for potential short-term reversals. Now, let's focus on a specific time range between November 28th and 29th on the 1-hour chart. Here we observed a period of increased volatility and a significant price surge, briefly breaking above the prior resistance level. This upward movement was short-lived and could be considered a temporary relief rally, as the bearish trend ultimately resumed. The volume increased during this period, but it wasn't sustained. On the 15-minute chart, examining the same period shows a mix of bullish and bearish candlesticks, depicting the heightened volatility of this period. The price fluctuations within this range underscore the uncertainty in the market. Looking ahead, several key price levels stand out. Support around $100,000 is a critical level, a break below which could signify a much more significant bearish reversal. Resistance around $105,000 could present a challenge to any upward price momentum. However, there's a 30% chance of a short-term bullish reversal if we see a strong bullish candlestick pattern accompanied by high volume and the price sustaining above $101,000. There is a 70% chance of a further bearish trend continuing towards the $100,000 support level. This likelihood would increase if the bearish candlestick patterns and low volumes persist. In the long term, the overall trend remains uncertain. The market might experience further price fluctuations in response to future economic announcements or regulatory changes. Keep a close watch on the Federal Reserve's policy and broader macroeconomic factors for potential influences on Bitcoin's price. In summary, the current market sentiment for BTCUSD is primarily bearish, but there's always the potential for short-term buying opportunities. Closely monitor the $100,000 support and the $105,000 resistance levels. The next few days will be pivotal, and a significant break above or below these price levels would likely influence the short-term market direction.